Hello and welcome to our channel Mockup Art. Today we have a fan mockup. If you want this mockup, link can be found in the description. So let's get started. Firstly, let's use the pen tool and select the parts of this fan or individually. It will be totally based on the selection. So if you want, you can skip this part or you can watch it. We are going to fast forward the time, so be with us. Okay, so most of our selection is complete. Put them all in a folder and name it a object id. It will be help to organize the whole file. Now use the ellipse tool and create a ellipse around the upper portion of this fan. It will be our smart object. We are going to put our design image on it. So reduce the opacity. It will be help to place it more best way. Now right click on it and convert it to a smart object. Click on the selection, Control plus click on the selection and mask it out. Now create a rectangle tool for the middle portion of this fan. Similar process, change the color. It will help to point it out. Reducing opacity is just to verify that we are placing it on the right position. Same process, open the object ID. First make it a smart object. Now open it to object ID, Control plus left click on layer 2 and mask it out. Now you can see this some area is still remaining, so just click on the selection portion and use the brush tool. Just remove those area by changing the color, background color to white and foreground color to black. Just remove them. All done. Okay. Now same process for the bottom portion of this fan. Create a smart object. Create a rectangle tool. Use the rectangle tool. Create a rectangle and convert to a smart object. Then mask it out. Okay. Now open up the smart object and place the design you want to show. Okay. Create a clip in mask. Now select 3 of this mask and using Ctrl J create a fan and place it above the all images. Make 3 copies of them using Ctrl J, put them in a folder and name them FX. It will be our lighting folder. So name the first layer to light, second one to midtone, and the last one to shadow. Make the shadow layer to liner burn, the midtone layer to liner dodge add. You have to adjust these levels to bring out the actual color of this image. Just reduce its level accordingly. It will be very up to you whether you want to make them too much light or too much dark. For the light layer, change it to screen. Similarly, reduce the levels just a little bit. You can change anytime if you think it is too much darker or too much bright. You can also change the opacity of it. Now create a solid color layer and place it below the FX group. It will be our background and make it liner burn. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for future updates.